Welcome to this quick walkthrough on recovering your old main wallet in Best Wallet. This is for those who've migrated their Best Wallet to enable multi-chain wallets, but their old main wallet didn't automatically import. If you haven't migrated yet, we recommend first upgrading to the latest version of the Best Wallet app. Before you migrate, please back up any wallet you have in Best Wallet by making physical copies of your wallet's private keys or secret recovery phrase. Now, to recover your old main wallet, first open Best Wallet and go to Settings. Tap Manage Wallets. At the bottom, you'll see a Recover Old Main Wallet button. Read the warning message and check the box to confirm. Then tap Continue. To recover your old main wallet, you will need to log back into your pre-migration Best Wallet account. For any other wallets, you will need to import them using their private key. Make sure you use the same sign-up method and email address or Google Apple account you used to first create your Best Wallet account. So, if you created your account via email, enter the correct email address and follow the steps. If you used Apple or Google, make sure to use the correct account when recovering. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your login, which might be different depending on whether you're recovering via Google, Apple, or email. After you're logged in, your old main wallet will be automatically imported, along with all your assets. Once that is done, we strongly recommend you make a backup of your old main wallet to ensure you can always access your funds. All this means is making a physical copy of your wallet's private key. Head to Settings, Manage Wallets, EVM-only wallets, then tap Private Key. Write your private key down somewhere secure. Never store any backup copy of your private key online. And that's it. If you run into issues, check our How to Recover guide linked below, or contact Best Wallet support via Discord.